Hi, I'm Phil with Forest River Cargo, and today we're showcasing a Lightning 8.5 by 20 TA3 at the Indianapolis PRI Expo. So this model features a strike package, which includes a 24-inch stone guard, got the white vinyl interior walls, aluminum rims, and a Salem sidewall vent. Moving to the rear of the trailer, we can see that this trailer features Alpha Rubber coin flooring, an aluminum transition flap, and then an ATP ramp flap. This show special includes an exterior light package, which comes with double tail lights and additional clearance lights. This model also has a 54 by 72 escape door and additional interior dome lights. I'm Phil with Forest River Cargo. Thanks for tagging along at the Indianapolis PRI show. For more information, please contact us and we'll get you in contact with a dealer near you.